A mixture is made equal volume of CO and air. A spark passed through so that all the oxygen is converted to carbon dioxide. What will be the fractional decrease in the total volume of the system assuming pressure and temperature remain constant? And it was mentioned air contains 20% of oxygen by volume. So initially you have taken that, let us understand the point, carbon monoxide and air, they are taken in 1:1 ratio. Whether in the volume or in the mole ratio, they are in 1:1 ratio. And completely carbon monoxide is converted into carbon dioxide utilizing oxygen completely. This is the oxygen is completely utilized. Completely utilized. So here who can be the excess is CO can be the excess, where oxygen is the deciding factor how much CO is reacted. Because oxygen completely utilized in the process, how much carbon monoxide is required for oxygen to completely participate, that much carbon monoxide only is converted into carbon dioxide. This is the first point to note. Second, we are finding out the fractional decrease in the total volume of the system. Decrease in the volume we have to find. Corresponding to that, air contains only 20% is oxygen. This is what the data which is given. Let us go with this particular data, children. CO, carbon monoxide, reacts with half mole of oxygen to give carbon dioxide. That means if I take in this particular one, try to understand, 1 mole carbon monoxide reacts with half mole. Just try to understand this one. Gives you 1 mole of carbon dioxide. This is going to be your data, what you have with us. In this, CO is a gas, O2 is also a gas, carbon dioxide is also gas. Okay, let us keep this. Initially, we have taken carbon monoxide and air. So CO and air. If I have taken example A ml of carbon monoxide, A ml of air is also taken. In this A ml, only 20% is oxygen. That means volume of oxygen is equals to 0.2 A. So initially you have A ml carbon monoxide, 0.2 ml, 0.2 into A, correct? No, 0.2 A ml, 0.2 A ml oxygen. So carbon monoxide we don't have. Along with this, what else is there? If you have to understand, please understand there is a nitrogen in the total composition. If you understand, this nitrogen is going to be an unreactive gas. This is unreactive gas throughout, that remains as same. This is an unreactive gas, nitrogen remains as an unreactive gas. So how much is the nitrogen here? Nitrogen is, the remaining volume of nitrogen will be 0.8 A. So this is taken as 0.8 A nitrogen. So let us come. If this oxygen becomes 0 ml, that means completely consumed. If it is consumed, oxygen is consumed, so that the volume of oxygen becomes 0. So corresponding to oxygen, how much carbon monoxide would have been reacted? That means if minus 0.28, the total has been consumed, became 0. How much carbon monoxide would have been consumed and how much is left? For every half mole, 1 mole is carbon monoxide coming out. That means the volume of carbon monoxide reacting with volume of oxygen is 2 times when compared to oxygen volume. Half volume of oxygen reacts with 2 times the volume of oxygen. That is 1 volume of carbon monoxide. So they are in the ratio 1:1/2 or 2:1 ratio. So they are in 2:1 ratio. What is 2 times of 0.2? 0.4. This much has to go out from A. So that much is gone. A minus 0.4 A will be there. This will be left out. A minus 0.4 A, which is equals to 0.6 A. This will be left out. Now, what is the carbon dioxide formed? For every mole of carbon monoxide, 1 mole of carbon dioxide will be formed. That means how much carbon monoxide reacted, that much carbon dioxide formed. how much carbon monoxide reacted? 0.4 times Fa. So that many times of carbon dioxide will be formed. So this is 0.4 A, and your nitrogen still remains as unreactive, 0.8 A. Now the total volume, if you take the total volume, what is the total volume of gaseous mixture? Gases, if you say 0.6 A plus 0.4 A plus 0.8 A, that is equals to 1.8 A. So now if I am taking the total volume is 1.8 A, now we are supposed to find the change, the fractional decrease in the volume. Fractional decrease in the volume. Decrease in the volume is equals to total number of moles initially minus now the number of volume left by initial volume 2A. 0.2A by 2A, A and A gets cancelled. This will be 0.1. So what is the fractional decrease in the volume? The fractional decrease in the volume will be taken as 0.1.